They are thick. You see the bait going down right there? Oh, that's me at 40. Sir. Nah, it doesn't feel it. Heck yeah. Doubles again. Look at that, yo. Oh, he hammered it. Another nice one. Heck yeah. Beauty. Heck yeah. First crappie chip in the books. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Keep it bent. What's going on, Keep It Bent fam? Thank you everybody for tuning in to another episode. For those who are new to the channel, welcome to Keep It Bent Outdoors, y'all. My name is Ice. I know you guys don't recognize this spot that we at, y'all. I'm over here trying something new today. We at Clear Lake. I'm trying to get on my first crappie, y'all. I've never fished Clear Lake. I've never caught a crappie, so we got to knock off a new species at a new body of water. Shout out to my boy Andy for getting me out, man. We've been playing phone tag these last couple weeks. Finally heading out, man. I'm excited. Let's go get on some fish. Hopefully I don't freeze my butt off. Got that nice morning fog heading over the lake, y'all. It's gorgeous out here. Let's go get some crappie. Finally, been grinding. Grinded. Come over here. Yes, sir. Mr. Crocodilian. Mr. Crocodilian do. Yes, sir. Man, look at those fish on that live scope, y'all. They are thick. You see the bait going down right there? Oh, that's me at 40. Going down right there. For me, at least. Nope. There we go. Little guy. Toss him back. Yeah, he's little. You a tiny guy. Look at that screen. See my bait going down at 60? I'll let it fall just a little bit longer. Alright. Should be in that money zone. Blue gillies. they're hitting hard though. Sure.
Like no bluegill?
Nah, it doesn't feel like it. Little guy. Little guy. But hey, I'm catching up. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. My grandma would be so mad at me right now. Granny, if you see this and you get mad at me for throwing this crappie back, I'm sorry. My grandma would kick my ass if she seen me do that, boy. I could hear her right now. Boy, why the fuck you throw that fish back? Yeah.
Better get this shit back up and running. We'll fly by redbud. Too crowded over here.
Doubles. Slabs. Slab. Beautiful crappie. Doubles again. Man, that is a toad. Damn, bro. Fucking got the net too. There we go. Pretty fish. Chunky one. Look at that. Sheesh. Look at that, yo. Super, super chunky one. Heck yeah. There we go. Catching slabs, baby. Clear Lake slabs. Catching Clear Lake slabs, baby. And when I say slabs, I mean slabs. Heck yeah. Pop that out. On the fall.
Man.
On the fall, baby. Ooh, come here. Slabs. You'll be lucky. You guys can see what we're going through. That's my bait right there. About to work it back through that school. Oh, he hammered it. He hammered it. Tooey! What a toad. Another nice one. Heck yeah. Beauty. Smack it. There we go.
Man.
Yes, sir. Clear Lake, baby. First trip at Clear Lake paid off. Heck yeah. Clear Lake crappies, baby. Slabs! Come on.
Oh.
Man, if you would come out of here, I'd be able to catch one more. There we go. Schlabberooski. First Clear Lake trip. Look at these slabs, y'all. Look at these. Huge shout out to my boy Andy for getting me out, y'all. Clear Lake is a blast. It's an absolute beautiful, beautiful lake. Look at these fish. Heck yeah. First crappie trip in the books. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Keep it bent.